Welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to design this type of a modern dental clinic website using WordPress. We are going to design this type of website without writing any single line of code. So let me refresh this page because this is the type of website we are going to design by the end of this video without writing any single line of code. So this is the dental website. This is the sample. We are going to design exactly this type of website. I will show you how to convert everything to your own brand by changing these images to your own images. This is the pricing section. You can see it, the pricing section. So this is more, you can write more about you. You know, this is you can see that these are dummy tests, so you can change it. I'll show you how to do everything by the end of this video. So I want you to watch this video to the end, and if you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. Without wasting time, let's get started. So this is my WordPress dashboard. So I've already made a video on how you can purchase a domain name and a hosting and install WordPress. So I'll put the link to that video in this particular video description. So check this video description. If you don't know how to install WordPress or you don't know how to purchase your own domain, check the video and learn how to purchase your domain and install WordPress. Then you come back to this video and continue from where we stopped. Now if you check this particular video, you can see that this particular website, this is just a test website. It's a test website for my hosting provider. So if you want a video on how to get it, you can tell me in the comment section so that I will make that video on how to get this particular test website. So right now, let me show you the sample of my website. So visit site. So this is how my website looks like currently. This is how it looks like. So now you will see, let me go back to the dashboard. Now the first thing we need to do after doing this thing, you are going to see that there are going to be a lot of changes. So let me open it in a new tab so that it will be easy. So this is it. So that we'll be refreshing it in the new tab and we'll be working on this one. So the first thing you need to do here is to install a theme that will be that will suit this particular design. So come to appearance here, click on theme. So once you click on appearance, you click on theme. Then here now, by default, you can delete all this theme, but for the sake of this, I don't want this video to be long, so just click on add theme. So once you click on add theme, now this is the theme we are going to use, this Hello Elementor. So if you didn't find it up here, just search for it here in the search bar, Hello Elementor. So you click on install, doesn't take time, then activate. So after activating, let's check, refresh our website. So you see there are changes. So now, okay, so then the next thing you need to do is to install plugins that will help you to design this particular website. So now click on plugin here, then click on, click on installed plugins so we can see the plugins we installed. Now delete all these plugins. So click on delete. Then you can delete every plugin you see here and install plugins. So click on add plugin here, or you can equally click on you click on add plugin here, or you can click on add plugin this side. So once you click on it, then we are going to search for template kit import. Sorry, just come to this search bar, click on search bar. search for template kits import. Search for it here, then scroll down. Let's find this template kit import plugin. See it over here. With over 400,000 active installations. So see the template kit import here. Click on install. This is the plugin you need. Then you click on activate. Then another plugin, click on add plugin again. Then we install Elementor. So you search for Elementor. You see this place, this is where you search for it. You see the Elementor website builder, because we are going to use Elementor. That's why we are not going to write any code. And click on activate. So these are the most important plugin that you need. So then Elementor is showing us onboarding screen. So this onboarding screen, Elementor, I want to just cancel it. So continue as guest, and click on back. Sorry, continue as guest. Skip. So this is how you set up the onboarding screen of Elementor. They changed a lot of things. So now they're showing me. So I don't want to actually do any editing. So I'm going to go back to my website. So I'm going to go back to my website. So in case they pop onboarding screen, don't go for any premium. We are going to use everything free. So don't go for premium. So now the next thing you're going to do is to come to this tool, hover over it, and you're going to click on template kit over here. We are going to import our template kit, the design. We are going to import the design. So I'll put a link to where you can get this particular design in the video description. So check these video descriptions to go and download this particular template. It's not free, but just check the link in the description to download it. So you can click here or click here to upload it. So I will choose one. So you can see it is processing, because I'm just imported it. So you can see this particular template. So the link to download this particular template will be in this video description. So hurry up now and get yours. So then it says we have 6 requirements that need to be installing for this template kit to work correctly. So just click here to install requirement, then click install above selected requirement. That is the only thing you need to do. So everything that is required for this particular template to work, we install. Then refresh. If you pop error, refresh. So that is just an error. So this is another plugin. Just cancel it. Another plugin that is popping is onboarding screen. So we don't need it. Let's come back to tools. Template kit. So we come back to tools, template kit. Those requirements have been stored. That is why you don't see any pop-up. So let me just click view the installed kit. So the requirement has been stored, even though it popped that error. So the reason why it popped that error is because this is a free testing site. If it is normal website that your own domain that you purchased, it will not pop that error. But this is a free website, so that is why it popped that error. And because this video is the first time I'm testing this template in this testing site. So that's why. So then after installation, the first thing you need to import here, just go back to this template kit over here. So let's view, sorry. So we are going to import global style. Let me find it. See it here. So this is the first thing you need to install before doing any other thing. So import the global kit style. Once you are done importing it, you are good to go. So then the next thing to do now, after importing it, then you don't need to do anything here again. Just come to your pages, then all pages. Then these are the default page that we have. So now we're going to create home page. So I'm trashing this page. Then I'm trashing their page. I'm trashing this sample page. So I'm only going to leave this privacy policy page because your site needs a privacy policy. So why are they giving me this default home? They are giving me this default home for me to use it and design. So for me to stop getting this default home, so what I need to do is just come over here, add page. So click on add page. Then here now click home, type home, then this particular place, the root template, click on it, then you select Elementor full width here, then you publish. So now let's go back, then let me trash this particular home here. And you can see nothing is popping for us again, so everything has been settled. So now then you click on edit home so that we edit it with Elementor. So then you click here, edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. So it will start loading the page for us to redesign that particular website. So if you have watched to this point and you are finding this video helpful so far, I want you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share with your friends too. So the Elementor dashboard has loaded. So this is where we can be able to design and recreate that website without writing any single line of code. So what we are going to do once we land on this page, and the next thing you are going to do is click on this particular box here. Click on it. So once you click on it, you click on templates. Okay, there is no template here, so that is not. So here now, let's click on here. Sorry, I'm trying to find where my templates are. Templates supposed to be somewhere here. Supposed to be here. Let me find it. So sorry for the interruption. So I have to refresh this particular page because this is what I'm looking for and I couldn't find it. So I was looking for this particular icon. So this is the icon that houses my template. So if you can see the hover, you can see it says Elementor element. So if you didn't see it, you refresh. In your own case, if you didn't see it, you refresh. Make sure you refresh so you find out this particular icon. You click on it so you can see my template is already here. So view installed kit. So now I'm going to install the home page template. So it is loading. So while it is loading, it is on 3%. So I will explain some things for you real quick. So you can see that I have different like about us here. I have pricing, I have services, I have a dentist, I have appointment, I have FAQ, I have blog, I have contact us. So I have different pages listed over here. So I have different pages listed over here. So now what I'm trying to let you understand here is that when I created my first page and I'm installing this particular thing over there, that is how you can create other pages. You create other pages. I will also show you how to create menu to link other pages. So when I will start creating the header, I will show you how to create the menus so you can link all these pages to the menu. That's what you are going to do. So you find all the pages that you need for your business, then you do what? Install it. Install it real quick. Because I'm not going to install all the pages in this video. It will make this very long. So I'm just going to give you a few hints. So network. So you can see that it have been imported so far. You can see it. So I'm scrolling down. So let me just publish it and show you, so you see in real time that I'm actually working on this particular project. You can see everything just like the previous one. So this is the blog session. So once you write your own post, then it will appear here. So now let's refresh. It's our website here. So let's refresh this our website so you understand what I'm trying to say. So you know that we're actually designing this particular project real time. We're doing it real time. Refresh. Again, refresh. I've published it. So I think I need to clear the cache before it starts showing up. Refresh again. Refresh again. What's actually happening? Refresh again. Let me post the video and clear the cache. So we are going to just watch everything real time. So this is the website. So I have to install another plugin right now for the caching purposes, so that it will catch it very fast and we'll be seeing our changes real time. Caching plugin that I use a light speed catch. So light speed. So this caching plugin will help you make your website to load faster. So it will help your website to load faster, and also if you make changes on your website, it will help it to appear very fast. Changes to take effect very fast. So if it didn't take effect right now, we'll continue editing. Maybe in a few minutes, take effect. Don't worry. So let's continue editing it. In a few minutes, it will take effect. So now let me show you how to change everything here. So this is this particular session is your YouTube video. So you just click here, the YouTube video, click on this particular icon here or this particular place here. So this is the spacing. This is just click here. Then click on style. Click on style. Okay, then you can change this particular image. There's an image behind this particular place. That is the image here. Then this is the, so this image is the in case you see what they wrote here, background fallback. If this particular video refuses to show if it refuses to show a preview, this is what people see instead. That's why it, yeah, so you can change your own background fallback too. Okay, so but this particular place, this is the link to the YouTube channel. So you see it here. Just paste your video link here and it will start appearing this way. So these particular sections here you can change it. Click here, then click on style. So sorry, each of this box, see the icon, each of them, if you want to change the icon, but if you want to remove it, this is where you delete everything. Right click here and you delete. You can see I deleted everything. Delete it if you don't like it. So now it's coming back, so I done it. So now you see what I did. So I just deleted it or changed the icon. So maybe I want to change this particular icon from icon library. Let me choose this particular microphone. Click on insert. So you can see changed. Then click on this text. You see it here. You change the text. See. Then this particular background image, you click over here. Click on style. See it here. Change it. Change it to your own image. So the same way, just click here about this background style page, you change it. So the same way for images everywhere. Particular text here. This is not text. This is image. Just download this particular image, find the dimension, create an image in the same dimension and replace it. Find the dimension and replace it with this image. So that's how you can get that particular section. Then you come here and change this particular price. So let's say I'm going to choose let me write $75. You can see it. So you can literally change everything. After doing everything, you click on publish, then everything will go live. So let's check if the kitchen plugin has helped us. Let's check. I don't know what is actually happening. Why the changes is not reflecting on this. Let me pause this video and check incognito tab. So I finally found out the reason why it is not changing. This particular page we designs here is not actually the home page. So let me go and change it to be the home page. For us to do that, let's go back to our dashboard. I was supposed to tell you this thing earlier, but I forgot. That's why we are finding it difficult. So you just scroll down to your settings, come to reading. Now you have what is there is your latest post. So our latest post is what is our home page. That is why we are seeing let me just okay, so that's why we are seeing this particular. Let me open it in a tab. So that is why this is our latest post. That's why we are seeing it. So now for us to now change it to this particular design we have currently. So we have to just come over here and do what, choose a static page, and I'm going to select it whole as our home page. Then I'm going to click on save. So that is the reason why not changing. Then this is what we're supposed to do first, but I forgot. So let's refresh. I forgot to do it. Home page. Refresh again. So let's refresh again. Sketching is not taking effect. It is making this video to be very, very. This is it. So I have to hard refresh the web page. So let me refresh it again. So this is the edit that we have done so far. You can see. To show you that we are editing it in real time, the header is not yet there. So this is the test sample website. I will show you the sample website. So I've not added the header. Let's continue scrolling down while the sample website loads. You can see. You can see. You can see. The 75 changed. You can see. You can literally change anything here. So this is the blog section. So I've deleted that blog post. You cannot see it here again. But when you publish a fresh blog post, come out here. And if you don't like that section, just scroll down and delete the section. So let me remove that. You might not like it. Just click here, then remove the section and publish. Hopefully this one will take effect immediately. Edit, take effect immediately. Let me just come back to the website. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. Let me go down. You can see log session is no more here. So now the editing is taking effect immediately. Here, then you can see that the sample website, see this footer is not yet here because I've not added it, and this header is particular place yet here. This is to show that we are actually doing it in real time. Now for us to now change it and the other one, so just let's go back. So now come to element kits, then click on header footer. For us to now import our header and footer, so it will take time. So they are already also popping their own onboarding screen. Don't upgrade anything. We are using the free version of all this particular all this software, all this plugin. We are using the free version. You just scroll down, click next, then continue, then next, complete setup. Now all done. Then click header footer again. Then here now add new templates. Add new templates. We are first of all going to create the header. So sorry, element kits, header footer, sorry. Now add new templates. So this is how it's supposed to be. So I didn't know what just type header. Type header, select type. This place is the root type. You have two options, header and footer. Select header, entire website. Then we are activating it immediately. Save changes. Here now, just click on edit again, then content. Hit the content. So just like we did for the home page, so you click on this icon here, then click on view our templates. Here now we are going to find the header. So here now, install it. Install the header. You can see. So now here this place is where you add your menu. This is the menu section. There is no menu, so we have not created menu. So I will show you how to create menu. So once you create menu, it will appear. I think this particular one is even automatic. So here is the logo. You can change it. Change it to your own logo and you are good to go. So the rest menu will populate over here. So click on save, publish. Then let's refresh the website. So you see that you can see everything is taking effect. The logo and the icon, search icon here. Because see the search icon here. So now let's go back and create the footer. We need to now add new templates. So add new templates. I've started. And let's go back again. Once it shows this particular thing done, it is not added. So add new template. The network supposed to appear header footer. Supposed to be a pop-up. So supposed to be a pop-up. Let's wait for it to finish loading. Okay. So now here you click on add new templates. So this is how it look like. This one is footer. You can choose any name of your choice. So but here type, make sure that this type is the footer. So then click on activate. So let's just edit it straight. So this one we edit it straight and publish. So it is now loading. So now, okay, so let's refresh because we didn't see our icon. So remember we have an icon box for our template. So once you didn't see it, you refresh. So we will not make mistakes. You see it now, it have appeared. So I'll click on it, then click on templates here. Scroll down, let's find our footer. See the footer, that's template. Now you can see footer has been imported successfully. You can see everything. But I think the footer design has been broken because if you check this particular site, the design broke. Maybe let's another importing. But if it happens like that, you can actually design it, start afresh. You can just redesign it. That's what I do. So now this second one, so let's remove this one. So you can see this is it. So now here you can change any of these. Just click here. Then if you have to link this particular pages. So click here. This is where you add link to particular page. Let's say this now. I'll copy the link. Now come here. I'm going to here. So when people click here, they can do this for about us page. Once we design your about us, and any page you don't like, let's say you don't like this approach, click here to change the phone number, change any of this, just click on it and change it on this, and change it here, or copyright. I see the copyright text, or copyright text, content not showing, just change it. If you are watching this video in the year 2027 or 2028 or 2029, just change it. So now hit publish. Then let's come back to our website and let's refresh our website. Then I have to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and you can see then it's in place. So everything is there. This is how you can do it. Then let me show you how to create your menu real quick. So let me show you how to create your menu real quick. Let's come back to dashboard. Then let's come back to dashboard. Come over here and see this place, this put appearance, loading. Loading. This place the road appearance. You can see menu here. Click on it. You can see menu there. Click on it. You can now create your menu. Here now, let me say name of my menu is just for the sake of this video. Let me say menu. Click on create menu. Create menu. So I've created the menu. So to add stuff, you just click on here. You can add pages to the menu. Then seek that this at the header. Add the home page. Any page you want, you now add all the pages that you created. You add it. Menu. Add it to the menu. Add it to the menu. Add the menu. See it here. Save it. Add the menu. Save it. Menu saved. So let me see if selected on the website. See it, home. Other menu that you are going to create will populate over here. That is it. So on this note, I'm going to stop it here. Don't forget to like and share this video. And if you encounter any difficulty, drop it in the comment section. I will help you and fix it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.